So after my previous video, I got a lot of response that the platform is offering us lesser credit, and that credit is not enough to generate a motion control video. I went on to do my research. I found another platform you can literally use to create a motion control video. Now take a look at this. This is what I gave to the platform, and here is the result. The workflow is very simple. It's not complicated, and the workflow works the same way with a mobile phone or whether with your PC. So let me walk you through step by step on how you can use this for your motion control video. Open your browser and type in this. Then every time you use this, refer someone, you receive 500 free credits and you receive platform 100 credit. Now let's open a new incognito window. You can open a new site or a new web browser, anyone works. Okay, now you want to copy this second link, okay, that I'm going to show you now in this video. Accept everything. Just now go back to your first page. You're going to see 100 free credits. Now you want to scroll down. I want to show you something. Invite code. This is how you're going to gain extra bonuses like 500 free credits. You receive 500 free credits and your friend receive 500 free credit. That is the two of you. So now copy this link that I'm showing you on the screen. It's already on your platform. That copy is what you are going to use under your new tab that you created. Okay, for me, I'm going to use it on this my incognito window. Okay, and I'll open this. I will show you if that 500 free credit reflected. Now go ahead and sign in using that link. Now once you sign in using that link, right, use any email you've not used on this platform before. Okay, that is the only way it will work. If you use any other email that you've used on this platform, it will not work. Okay, so now because it has to identify you as a new user, so as a new user you have access to 100 platform credits and 500 on referral. That is when you invite someone. Now watch this. Now you're going to go ahead and confirm this. Don't skip this part. This is where you're going to claim your 500 free credits. Okay, so confirm this immediately, and immediately the 500 free credit will be loaded up for you and the person that invited you. Now let's confirm this quickly. Click that your profile picture and boom, it returns to 600 free credits. This is how you're going to use and top up more credits for your generation. Now let's head back to our first platform. Watch this. Go ahead and refresh this platform and go back again to your profile picture and then confirm the 600. Congratulations, you've gotten that. Then open a new tab, okay, on the browser, the same browser, and paste this workflow link. This is the workflow link that will enable us to generate using the motion control feature. Okay, so don't skip this part. It might look a little bit tricky, but if you skip the video, you're going to miss an important part that will actually help you generate successfully. Now once you open the interface, it's going to look this way. Messy, right? Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to do that. Now all these icons here are for you to use them to navigate on the screen. Now the same workflow works the same with your device, mobile phone or your PC. Anyone works. Now the zoom in and the zoom out, all of it is there for you to use. All right, so let's zoom in to really see what we want to do on this platform. And the first one is for your video reference. The second one is for your image reference. Okay, now let's see this practically, how it's going to work. Make sure your video is like 15 seconds long, a maximum of 15 seconds and a minimum of 15 seconds. You understand that, right? Now once you zoom, you're going to see everything written here. Here is to upload your reference video, and the second frame is to upload your reference image. All right, so now let's bring in our reference video that is 15 seconds long. But here is a trick. I want you to see this error message that I'm going to be experiencing now in this video, so that once you experience it, you know how to navigate around. Okay, so I went on to bring in a reference video for this particular illustration, and then here is what happened. Now once I inserted the video and I brought in the reference image, and watch this. This is it. We've gotten our reference video. Now let's have our reference image. So we've gotten our reference image. So the two materials are available. So if you try to load it up this way and it's taking time to reflect, don't panic. Try to upload again and it will definitely reflect. It has reflected, right? Beautiful. So we are going to go ahead and proceed with the next step, which is the more reason why we are here. Now, everything is ready. If you look up, you're going to see your 600 free credit is still intact, right? Go ahead and check, look up there, see 2 run is there, the first one and the second one. But the first one is the one we are going to test. Okay, let's run with that first one. So we are going to run it. Now it is going to be submitting. Okay, to start generating this way. Now I eventually run into an error message that is showing on the screen right now. All right, and the reason is what I don't understand. So I thought to myself that it might be from the video. So let's say you are trying to use this platform and you run into this kind of error message. Don't panic, it is not from the platform, it's from your video. It might be from your video, so, or your image. So the 2 things you need to do is, 1, look at the type of video you uploaded, the size, also, and the quality, and also look at the quality of the image you also uploaded and the size also. So for me, I went on to test a different video. I went on to test a different video reference to be sure that it's not from me, right? Awesome. So once I was able to get that, now I uploaded this particular reference video. Awesome. This particular reference video, and I still maintain the same image reference, and I started running, and it's going successfully. Like you can see, it's still generating. Now where you have the task list is where you're going to find the result at the end of everything. Click on your profile to confirm your credit is still intact. Right now, if you want more, use the invite code and bring in more credits to your platform to keep generating, right, using this platform. So that is how you're going to do. Once you click that invite button, this is going to pop up. Copy the link, right, open a new window, and of course invite someone and use it. Both of you receive 500 credit, the other one receive 500, and you have a lot of things to use it for. Now in no time, our result is here. It doesn't take time for the video to finish generating, right? So just a little patience, but you have a little mark there. This is the watermark. But for free user, you can click and download this. Okay, but when you download, you want to find the watermark there. Now let's see how much credit this platform uses. Wow, so we still have over 300 free credits still remaining, meaning that we can generate another video, yes, with this. So if you want more credit, you know what to do, right? Invite more to have more. So keep inviting. Even if you want 2,000, you can have it. 2,000 credit, you can have it by inviting more people. That is how you use this platform. So if you've watched it this time, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell of this channel so don't miss my next upload. Let me know if you have a video request in the comment section of this video, and you will see it next. And guys, until next, see you in the